Here we do a walkthrough of our 2020 Weekender four-wheel drive Sprinter with 23,500 miles we're selling for a customer. This van is in immaculate shape. It has a factory warranty till 2025 on the van. We start off with the windows. We have AMA vented screen windows. We have 4 of them, so you have plenty of ventilation, 2 in the rear and 2 on the front, including the slider door. If we start underneath the bed, you can see we have L-track throughout the van, which allows you to hang storage bags, gear. Also, you see we've added rear speakers in the back, along with a subwoofer, and the van includes this refrigerator here by ARB. We use an Adventure Wagon Moab bed. This is a very high-end bed that has full height adjustability and removes in just a couple seconds. You can see the storage bags that we have that are included with this van. These are by Campo. We're including 3 bags with this van. You can see how they hang on hooks. They remove and they are semi-rigid. So you can put them on top as well as you can put them below here if you want more storage. As we look towards the front, you see our dinette. This is our lagoon table dinette. So you can have a dinette area without moving any gear. We have comfort seats on the rear, comfort seats in the front. This is upgraded. These seats in the back recline slightly, kind of like airline seats and regular coach class. The front seats as well are heated, and they're not automatic, they're manual. If you don't know, you don't want automatic seats with swivel seats for a lot of reasons. A lot of people don't know that when they order their vans. We have interwoven vinyl flooring. You can see this is extremely durable, cleans up really well. It also helps seal some of these edges to keep from dirt and stuff coming underneath your flooring. This is a marine grade, really expensive flooring, but it looks beautiful. It also has some padding. As you look up top, we have the Colorado Campervan Pop top. It's huge, it's insulated, it's also sound deadened, it's for 4 season. Also incorporates a fan, a max air fan that has temperature control and LED lighting. It even has USB outlets so you can charge phones up here. A lot of people don't realize a lot of pop tops don't have a fan, and that's a must-have, especially in warm climates or in California, for example. You can see that the van is just in outstanding shape, especially considering it was used by a family. We have a S-Bar D2L diesel heater for those cold nights or cold mornings, or if you're camping in the snow. This van is very well equipped. It even has step lighting on the front and the back. It is very well optioned, this van. So we swing back to the rear. We have a mount for a water heater, as well as this has an outdoor shower and a water tank that's built in that holds almost 20 gallons. You look at the rear of this van, again, excellent shape. LED lighting, cargo area lighting, so we can light up this rear area at night so you can see your stuff, as well as there's a light up top for behind the van. You can see an Adventure Wagon bed here. It's actually a really, really high-end bed. It's very, very nice, very adjustable, very easy to remove. We have a custom mattress that's 3 panels, so you can run 2, 3, or 1 panel. You can stack them. Take another walk around on the inside of this van. Really can see how really clean it is. We have a couple scuffs on some of the factory panels, and typical for use of a 2-year van, but you're saving a really large amount of money on this build by buying something used with a full warranty on the van itself. There's even Really nice high-end WeatherTech mat in the front. Again, to keep everything super clean. A lot of these details people don't see in a lot of the builds. We have an Alpine swivel. This swivel, people don't know, is super low profile. It doesn't rattle. It's actually twice as expensive as a normal swivel. It's really great, especially if you're short or you don't want any rattle movement and that you see a little bit in the typical swivels. These are really silent. We don't have power seats because you don't want power seats with swivels. Here's your front heater seat controls. Aluminum steps makes it really easy for the family to get in and out because this van's quite lifted quite a bit with the tires and suspension kit. L box, ton of storage here as well outside. This is all aluminum, really high end. Also, we have the bars that come out here so you can put 2 bike rack carriers if you like. Again, the pop top from the outside LED lighting, luminous custom rack on top. You can see how really clean this van is. I mean, there's not a nick or scratch on the outside at all. It's really exceptionally clean. Full size rear tire with the alloy wheel, ladder, black Rhino rims with KO2 BFG tires, which are really a high quality all-terrain tire. You get a really good look at the windows. You just get excellent visibility with these windows when you're driving, and then you can use insulated window covers if you want privacy. We have an agile rip kit. It's a high-end suspension. It's not just shocks, it's a lot more than that. They put shocks in, struts, all new rear springs, and upgraded shocks. It makes a huge difference in how this van drives. Just not even anything like a stock van. It's really quite insane how smooth it drives and how little side roll you have. You can see the off-road lights here, front by the bumper, top off-road lights, fog lights. This has the LED lighting package, which is a pretty significant upgrade. Much better lighting, and it follows your direction with your steering wheel. Again, a really, really clean van. I'd say the only thing I could nitpick on there is, you know, 2 of the slider door panel, if they're gonna point anything out on this van, has this little separation here on the top. We can put a new panel in if you like. But that's really the only thing I would nitpick on this van. And again, it's not a brand new van. We're not selling it as, it's a private sale by the owner out of Arizona. They've asked us to go through this entire van, prep it, make sure everything works perfectly. It includes the fridge, the storage bags. We're gonna supply a brand new water heater, as well as also includes one of our modular sinks. So this is included in the sale, along with the refrigerator by ARB, which also has a cover on it. If you have any questions about this van, contact us at Cardiff Campervan or cacampervan.com. To build this van would be about $185,000 today. This van is selling for $149,000. 5-year factory Mercedes-Benz warranty on all of the van. There's no warranty on the build, but we will guarantee everything works upon pickup and give a short warranty after that, so you can ensure that everything is working properly. Just do a quick walk around again. Just really one of my favorite vans that I've built. I used this personally on a trip and just loved it. The engine compartment is immaculate. As well as you can see, there's like no chips on the front. I mean, you know, just really, really in excellent shape. Thanks for checking it out. Contact us if interested.